Sometimes on X or Twitter, if someone emails you a post, you'll get that email, and on top of it, you'll also get notifications in your mail. If you don't want these notifications, you can disable them. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off this notification. For this, open the X app. After that, up top, you can see your profile photo. Click on it. When you click it, here you'll see Settings and Support. Click on that, and then you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on this option, and here you can see Notifications. Click on this option. Then here you can see Preferences. Click on Preferences. And here you can see Email Notifications. Click on this. And here you can see Email Notifications again. If it's turned off, you won't get any notifications in your email. But if you want to enable it, you can do that. And after that, if you don't want posts emailed to you notifications, here you can see Related to you and your post. And under that, you can see Posts emailed to you. And if it's turned on, just turn it off, and after that you won't get this type of notification. So, this way you can easily disable these notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.